Hi, I'm Miss Kim with the Florence County Museum. Thanks for joining me today for Mornings at the Museum. This month we're talking all about color. Right now I am in the museum's special exhibit gallery. In this gallery we have some beautiful, colorful watercolor paintings by an artist named Alice Ravenel Hughie Smith. Take a minute to look at these artworks behind me and notice all the beautiful colors that Miss Smith used in her artwork. Today we're going to be reading a story together. It's one of my favorite books about color. It's called Mouse Paint. Let's get started. Mouse Paint by Ellen Stoll Walsh. Once there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. The cat couldn't find them. One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint. 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. They thought it was mouse paint. They climbed right in. Then 1 was red, 1 was yellow, and 1 was blue. Those silly mice. They dripped puddles of paint onto the paper. The puddles looked like fun. Do you love stomping in puddles? The red mouse stepped into a yellow puddle and did a little dance. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until, what happens when we mix red and yellow paint? Look, he cried, red feet in a yellow puddle make orange. Orange, when we mix red and yellow, we get orange. The yellow mouse hopped into a blue puddle. His feet mixed and stirred and stirred and mixed until, now we have blue and yellow mixing together. What do you think will happen? Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make green. Blue and yellow mixed together make green. Then the blue mouse jumped into a red puddle. He splashed and mixed and danced until red and blue, what's going to happen? Purple, they all shouted. Blue feet in a red puddle make purple. Blue and red mixed together make purple. But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff. So they washed themselves down to a nice, soft white. Can you see where those mice are taking a bath? Right in the cat's dish. Oh no! And they painted the paper instead. They painted 1 part red and 1 part yellow and 1 part blue. Red, yellow, and blue. We call those primary colors. They mixed red and yellow together to paint an orange part of the paper. Yellow and blue to paint a green part. And blue and red to paint a purple part. Orange, green, and purple are called secondary colors. We get those by mixing the primary colors. But they left some of the paper white because of the cat. So now they can still hide from the cat. Thank you for sharing this fun book about color with me. I love those silly mice in this mouse paint book. Let's work together to create our own mouse paint color wheel. Let's mix some paint colors, mix primary colors to make secondary colors.